very beautiful. I'm going to dip my hands in now. Oven grill, nicely done. Everyone, welcome to African Lot Food. I hope everybody is well. So today we have turkey tail. We have Tsofi for you guys. So please do take a seat and wait and see what we're going to make. So we have all the ingredients. We have our turkey tail with that Tsofi that we're going to use, party style. And then we have our pepper here that we have blend, onion, garlic, scotch bonnets, and ginger, all here. And then we have salt to taste, and here we have bay leaf, we have thyme, we have aniseed, and here we have basil, and then we have our spice blend here that we're going to put it in our chicken and cook it to our turkey. So the turkey is here. So first of all, I'm going to add the pepper, ginger, and garlic on it. All right, and then the spice also, and the herbs in there, and the salt. Okay, and I'm going to mix this all together. I'm going to mix this, and I'm not going to add water right now. I'm just going to leave it to cook for about 10 minutes before I'll add any water into it. So it's going on the fire now. So I have added a bit of chicken seasoning in there for taste as well. Okay, you don't have to, you can just use salt if you wish. Okay, that's it. So we're going to cover this and leave it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes at least. All right, so our turkey tail is done, it's ready. So now we're going to take them out and start doing the frying. Okay, so we have added vegetable oil in here. We're going to add a bit of onion and rosemary in there to give more flavor into our turkey. And there we go.
Tsofi. It was nice though.
So our Tsofi is done. So we're going to take it out now. So this is it. Our party style turkey tail Tsofi is done. So we have added a bit of spring onion, suya spice, and also a bit of chili pepper on it, flake, and that's it. So we're going to have this afternoon. So when you're having your party, you can have this nicely decorated, and then that's it. Thank you for coming, and hope to see you again. See you soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and bye.